So you want to make $8,000 a month? These few steps are going to help you get there. In the simplest forms, there are 2 steps you need to do in order to generate $8,000 a month. Number 1, pick your edge. Pick an edge. Go to the charts, observe what you see. Do you see any patterns? Do you see anything that's jumping out to you of when price moves from a certain area? Anything you can see that you could trade every day and get a positive expectancy. Number 2, trade your edge. So in one sense, it's as simple as pick an edge and trade the edge. But if we break it down a little bit further, here is how I would translate that into really facts of what we're going to do to get this done. Number 1, collect data. What do I mean? Once you've chosen your edge, something you see in the market as a pattern, you now need to go collect data on that. Back test it. I've talked about this in past videos. Go run that play 100 times and see what the outcome would have been. If you're getting a positive outcome and you're happy with it, trade that. Pick it and trade it. Number 2, you need to show up regularly. This is going to sound junior, but if you can't show up regularly as if it is a job, we're going to struggle here. So far the beginning's simple. Show up. Number 3, I think we need to get ultra focused here. I think we need to narrow down exactly what we're looking for. What time, what pair, or stock symbol, everything down to the nitty gritty. Number 4, write out your commitments. This is essentially your trade plan, but I think you should write out exactly what you are showing up to do. What job are you coming to do today? If you were a plumber, whatever, and your company hires you out to go fix a pipe, what is the objective? Make it super simple. Number 5, check off the list. No joke. Go down the list. Did I show up this morning on time? Check. Maybe you're allowed to trade at whatever, 6:45 PST. You're waiting for 15 minutes of the market to pass, settle, and then you're allowed to trade. Did you do that? Number 6, leave with your head held high. If you checked off your trade plan, no matter what happened, you just successfully executed what you need to do to become a profitable trader and make 8% a month. And if you do that with an edge that produces a 60% win rate with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio for stock guys, all this means is you lose 100, you make 100. 4% a month of a $200,000 prop account. Ooh, I got doctor's writing. Equals $8,000. If you take 20 trades a day, there's roughly 20 trading days. 20 trading days a month, and you take 1 trade a day, 1%. This averages 4%. So there you have it, folks. Extremely simple concept, very hard to do. It all comes down to discipline. But my encouragement to you is to keep this as simple as possible. Write out a checklist and show up and just check it off. No joke. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and no joke, create a box next to it. This is what I do. That's a bad box. I showed up. I waited till 6:30. I'm just making this up. I executed the trade fearlessly. Number 4, you can visually see I did it. You can look at the list and go, I did what I need to do. Versus, it can be a temptation for newer traders, myself included, to trade what we see, trade what we think is going to happen, trade based on emotions, trade on hype, trade on look how high it's moving. What are we doing here? Again, you got to bring it back down to the checklist. What is my edge? Map out your checklist, show up, check, get out of there. If your signal presents in the first 10 minutes, place it and get out. Why would we want to be at the charts any longer? If you sit at the charts all day long, you just bought yourself another day job. We want to get in and out, move on with the rest of our life, and watch our edge play out. Remember, if you have a 60% win rate, you're going to have, it is part of the plan to have 40 of those trades per 100 lose. It's part of it. I'm going to bring up some backtesting for you real quick, and I just want you to see what I'm talking about. Okay, check this out. I'm not going to bore you with the details of each strategy, but I literally do this for any strategy. There's kind of 4 or 5 things I'm looking at. I'm observing. I'm seeing what I'm seeing on my pair. And I'm just observing and I'm tracking what the dollar value would be. This is actually more like percentages. I'm just using simple math, $100. So this can be $10, $1,000, $10,000. It doesn't matter. It's however big your prop firm account is. So yeah, very simply, this is the testing. So if I pick this one here, column F, okay? This is my 5-minute opening range breakout strategy. I know that if I took it, and it's systematic, like it's very systematic, so it's not really much second guessing, it would be up 12% for the year. 12% on a $200,000 challenge is $24,000. Can you imagine being up $24,000 for 2025? If your prop firm was already passed, you have to pass the account. But if you were already passed and you get, 80% of that, this is powerful. This takes a 60% win rate 1-to-1 R and makes it powerful compared to what you see on YouTube of like 80% win rates, never lose, how I make $10,000 a day, all that crap. No, this is what traders are actually going after. 2 to 4% a month. This can change your life. All right, that's all I got for this one. Thanks so much. Talk soon.